Today we're here in Silverado Canyon, California. We're at the Orange County Modelers Association field. Welcome to OCFPV.
We have our drone races today. This is the second race of our series. We'll have about 25 pilots here in ranges from novice through expert class pilots.
Like being here today, going out with people that fly with you, that enjoy the same thing, have the same passion, right? And then just putting down the goggles and just transporting yourself to a different place. That's really where it's at.
Goggles get the feed from the drone, and that's how you fly in first-person view. My wife also fly here with us. She get into flying is because I start doing it, and she kind of like it, and we've been flying together since then. Yep.
It's not hard. If you want to learn and fly, it's not hard for anyone. For men or women, it's the same.
I started flying little helicopters and little toy drones when I was really young, like 4 or 5. And then I just really got into drone racing these past few months. I possibly think that I could turn this into a career. It would definitely take a lot of work and effort, but I think it's possible.
Some of the prizes people are winning from drone racing are going to be, besides bragging rights to your buddies, there was races in year one that a team split up to like $1 million. That's insane.
The community is real friendly and it's fun, but you get to come out and compete and go as fast as you can. And the real issue here is that you're immersed in the flight. You're actually seeing what you're doing. It's extremely exciting when you're behind the goggles going, 80, 90 miles an hour out here on some of the straightaways. It's pretty darn exciting.